present, past, future. I accept, I accepted, I will accept. I allow, I allowed, I will allow. I ask, I asked, I will ask. I become, I became, I will become. I begin, I began, I will begin. I bring, I brought, I will bring. I build, I built, I will build. I call, I called, I will call. I come, I came, I will come. I continue, I continued, I will continue. I do, I did, I will do. I feel, I felt, I will feel. I find, I found, I will find. I follow, I followed, I will follow. I get, I got, I will get. I give, I gave, I will give. I go, I went, I will go. I have, I had, I will have. I hear, I heard, I will hear. I help, I helped, I will help. I hold, I held, I will hold. I keep, I kept, I will keep. I know, I knew, I will know. I leave, I left, I will leave. I lend, I lent, I will lend. I listen, I listened, I will listen. I live, I lived, I will live. I look, I looked, I will look. I make, I made, I will make. I mean, I meant, I will mean. I meet, I met, I will meet. I move, I moved, I will move. I need, I needed, I will need. I pay, I paid, I will pay. I put, I will put. I run, I ran, I will run. I ring, I rang, I will ring. I say, I said, I will say. I see, I saw, I will see. I show, I showed, I will show. I sleep, I slept, I will sleep. I start, I started, I will start. I take, I took, I will take. I tell, I told, I will tell. I think, I thought, I will think. I try, I tried, I will try. I turn, I turned, I will turn. I use, I used, I will use. I work, I worked, I will work. I write, I wrote, I will write.